everybody, and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host, Soul, and today we'll be taking a look inside of My Hero Academia Season 2, Part 2 on Blu-ray. So there's the cover, the spine, the back, and the other spine. Take the cover off. There you go. A little more of the same. And then here's the digital copy code if you want it. Come and get it. And then we have episodes 26 through 34 on the Blu-ray 1. And then we have 35 through 38 on disc 2. And then on the DVDs we have 26 through 32. And then we have 33 through 38. And then there's the background. So this has been My Hero Academia Season 2, Part 2 on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.